Are you looking for something special to transform your bedroom? Are you struggling to find an off-the-shelf solution for your storage needs? That's where we come in. At Lancashire Bedrooms, we create bespoke bedroom furniture and fittings that are just made for you. Our highly skilled craftsmen have the knowledge and experience to create the perfect solution for your bedroom, home office, or kitchen. Whether you're looking for a modern design with sliding doors or a more traditional period style in keeping with your home, we will work with you to design a space that suits you and your home. The bonus of choosing Lancashire Bedrooms is that we go from hub to home, so you can be confident that what has been created especially for you by our craftsmen will be installed perfectly by our expert team of fitters. Strong, built to last, and custom made precisely for your needs. In just a few hours, your bedroom space will be transformed with your choice of a wide range of doors and finishes, so that finally you can have the bedroom, office space or kitchen you've always wanted. Call us today at Lancashire Bedrooms.